Hey guys, if you're ever at the airport and you want to kill some time with an awesome prank, try this one. Hey guys, we really hope you like that prank. If you do, hit that like button. And if you want to do this prank yourself, all you have to do is search on the internet, outlet, stickers, you know, on eBay, Amazon.com. Also, I just wish we had a couple more reactions for you, but we had to catch our plane and we ran out of time. So maybe next time. But go ahead and share this and like this video if you want another one. We'll see you soon. Peace.